really interesting one, both on identification but also on another problem that sometimes happens when you're foraging. So we've got two plants here growing cheek by jowl. We've got the wonderful wild garlic, which is here, and then within 10 centimetres we have another leaf, and this is arum lily, or lords and ladies, and this is poisonous. So to be fair, if you looked at them closely and you look at the two leaves and you consider the shape of them, they look very, very different. The wild garlic is like a head of a spear, and the arum lily has this split at the bottom with these two lobes and is a little bit more like an arrowhead. So if you take a close look, you can see that they're completely different. But people have been known to mistake the two, or I think what's most likely is that they've been picking wild garlic and they've just lost concentration. And if I was picking here, and instead of picking leaf by leaf and thinking about what I was doing, and I just started taking clumps of leaves, I could quite easily pick some of the arum lily, which grows amongst the wild garlic, without knowing it. And then when I come to cook it, I could cause myself some harm. So just be aware when you're picking the wild garlic, you don't get what I call bycatch, which is if you start picking it in clumps, you might get other plants mixed in, and with arum lily being so unpleasant to eat, you need to be a bit careful.